Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a fun tutorial on mix ombre with bright colors and blossom gel for flowing nail art. Start with white gel polished base, then add 3-4 layers of vibrant ombre powder without curing. Now use blooming gel for that cool flowing effect. While the gel is wet, create your design. I went with dots and watch it flow for an awesome finish. Feel free to choose your own design and have fun experimenting. No curing in between steps, let your creativity shine. Once done, cure it for 30 seconds and seal it with top coat, cure it for additional 30 seconds. Admire the beautiful flowing design. If you enjoyed this video, show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned for more nail art tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.